Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 51, часть 1, страница 112-113, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 51, part number 1, page number 112, 113. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 112. 112. Exercise number 1. Why is penguin unhappy? Read and answer. Почему пингвин несчастлив? Прочитай и ответь. Help me, please. Here come the bottles. Now the cans. And a lot of rubbish. My home is mess. Can you help me, please? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What can harm sea animals? Read and choose. Что может навредить морским животным? Прочитай и выбери. The answer: fishing, chemicals, cars, plants, oil. Chemicals, cars, and oil can harm sea animals. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Help an animal find a home. Помоги животному найти дом. Wanted. A clean ocean in Antarctica must have a lot of fresh fish. No rubbish, please. Contact Pedro the penguin. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 113. 113. Go green. Exercise number 4. What words come to mind when you think of dolphins? Make a list. Compare them with your friends. Помоги животному найти дом. Какие слова приходят на ум, когда ты думаешь о дельфинах? Напиши список, сравни их со списком твоего друга. The answer: sea, ocean, clever, cute, kind, happy, friendly. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Read and answer. Прочитай и ответь. Help the dolphins. Dolphins are beautiful, clever animals. There are sea and river dolphins. Their size is from 1.2 meters and 40 kilos. Mouse dolphin up to 9.5 meters and 10 tons. Orca. Dolphins can swim very fast. They can see in and out of the water. They can hear very well too. When we think of dolphins, we always picture them jumping in and out of the water, playing with other dolphins or people. But a lot of dolphins die these days. People fish all their food, and dolphins haven't got any fish to eat. All the rubbish, the plastic, and the chemicals kill dolphins too. Let's help dolphins. We need them. Did you know? Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Ты знал? Дельфины спят с одним открытым глазом. Answer the questions. Number 1. Are there any river dolphins? The answer. Существуют речные дельфины? Да. Yes, there are. Question number 2. How big can dolphins get? Насколько они могут быть большими? Они могут достигать до 9,5 метров и 10 тонн. The answer, number 2. They can get up to 9.5 meters and 10 tons. Question number 3. Can dolphins see out of the water? The answer, number 3. Могут они видеть из воды? Да. Yes, they can. Question number 4. Why do dolphins die? Number 4. Почему дельфины умирают? Потому что люди ловят всю их еду и загрязняют воду, в которой они живут. Number 4. Because people fish all their food and pollute the water where they live. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.